Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm going to share with you my alternative projects from the May 2019 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So this is the kit. It comes in your mailbox. It's just a box full of all sorts of great little goodies and items that you can craft with. It's a surprise every month, so I just love that. And they always give us samples of what we can make with the contents of the kit. Now I'd like to go offbeat and make different ideas or different items, and I have a previous video I'll link below where I made a little album flip book that I filled with goodies for an envelope album flip book that I filled with goodies for a friend that I'm going to be sending out, so you can check that one out below. But these are the cards that I came up with. I like to try and use primarily the items that are in the kit without pulling in a lot of extra things from my stash so that you can see how versatile these kits really are. Here's one of the cards. Now this was a card front with this blue bird design on it. I cut that panel down, used the back of one of this card actually, one of these, where it was just a plain tan, adhered that onto that panel, used the stamps in the kit, stamp that little bird down there, and there we've got a very simple card, and I am loving this ribbon that came in there. This is one of the new ink colors. It's Pretty Peacock, and I think it is going to be one of my favorites. So I forgot to mention that every one of the kits does come with a stamp set, so you get to keep this at the end. You've always got a stamp set and an ink block that you can add to your stash even when all of the contents are gone, so it's a great deal. There is our little hello card. Now here's one. I just took one of those large tags that's included in there, stamped the thank you, cut that off on the side. Again, these are threads or linens that were included in the set. Wrap those around for a fun little thank you card. This one, I love this month. We got these little birds. Aren't they adorable? These little embellishments, metal embellishments. So this one I took again that blue card panel. I took another one, cut it down, adhered it on top, added a strip, a tiny little strip of the blue, and then I just tucked one of these tags up underneath there with the hello and attached that metal bird embellishment. This one I did a little bit of a fun fold. I used one of those large tabs, folded it in half, and I put another tab on front with a thank you. These splotches are one of the stamps in the stamp set. This is grateful for you, and then it opens up like that. So just something a little different and fun. And then I did take a couple where I made full-size cards, pulling in both a base, and then I pulled in some of the old olive scraps that I had to mat the pink floral pieces. And I just cut these into two little panels. Use my Starburst punch. This flower stamp is from the kit. So I stamped that. I used my Stampin' Blend marker because I did not have these colors in my Stampin'. I'm sorry, I used my blender pen because I did not have the Stampin' Blends colors in these. And the blender pen is a great way to just extend the use of your ink pads. If you haven't tried that yet, it's great. They're just a clear end, and it picks up whatever color. So just dip your acrylic block in your ink pad, pick up some of that color from the acrylic block, and you can use it to color in whatever color you want. When you're done with that color, you're going to simply just write off until it comes clear, and you're ready to go again. So that's what I did with these flowers. And then I used some of that ink just to kind of ground the flowers there by putting a little grassy area in. And then this is again using that Pretty Peacock, my favorite, with that ribbon. I just put one of the panels off to the side, attach that ribbon, and tucked a couple of the sentiment strips, one with the bird and one with the hugs. And I did use the Pretty Peacock ink on that as well. So I hope that you guys found some inspiration in these projects to help you make the most of your paper pumpkin kits. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so on my website, and I will put a link below for that. I hope that you are enjoying my video series. If you have not already had a chance to subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll get notifications of future videos. Until I see you again, make sure that you grab some paper, Stampin' Ink, Make something creative and share it with someone special.